Michigan state line to warm it up so I can get my emission test. And we just pulled in the welcome center, man, so check it out.
Exit right.
Yeah, we just pulled in the welcome center, man. In Michigan, just across the Michigan state line. I had to come down here. I just put a new converter on my car. Day before yesterday, they swapped it out because the other
in 3.3 miles.
The other one was
take
bad.
exit 4A, US 12 East toward Three Oaks, Niles.
So, just taking y'all along with me, man. So, we just pulling up right now. I'm gonna take y'all out of here in a minute. We gonna stay here for a couple of minutes, and then we gonna head on back to Indiana. Yeah. Yep. But yeah, guys, I'm finna walk you around the center real quick, and then we gonna head back the other way. Then I'm gonna take it to the emission place, and y'all should be able to see what happens when you got an old car that got vanity plates on it. You gotta you actually have to get it emission tested. Yeah, we just got to the center, right on the other side of the Indiana-Michigan state line. So I'm finna take you guys down and give you a little walk around. Yeah. Y'all see where we at. We in Michigan. I'm gonna walk y'all over here. New Buffalo. Got a little lighthouse right there. See the welcome to Michigan. Y'all see it? Yeah. Y'all see that 94 sign right there? I see it. But yeah, you know, when I get back on here, I gotta go down one exit before I get back on. See, guy taking the flag down. I ain't gonna film inside because they might not want me to, but it's just a welcome center. What's up, man?
How you doing?
Chilling.
I hear ya.
Yes, sir. So, yeah, I had to come heat the car up a little bit. It's about 35 miles from my house. Y'all see the welcome center? Y'all see it? Walk around. We got a trailer over there. There's a vending area if you want to get something to eat, or, you know, vending machines or whatever. They got a COVID testing place here. Oh, okay. Thankfully, I ain't been sick, so. And we're gonna walk around here. They got a little statue right there. See, this is it right here. I'm gonna zoom in a little. No, I'm gonna leave it right there. That's the Welcome Center. First Highway Travel Information Center opened May 4th, 1935. Jeez. Thing been here a long time, guys. Like that. Got the little Iron Brigade thing. Dedicated Michigan men and women gave their lives to the country. Bloody, bloody, bloody. Yeah, I got that. Yeah, we're gonna walk back around to the car. Then we're gonna head on back. Because I think she heated up enough. I really do think so, but we'll find out when we get there. So, yeah. It's just a quick little 35-mile ride. Y'all see old girl sitting there. Looking good. Y'all see her. Yeah, guys, we back. So I think I heated up enough so we can head on back the other way. So I'm gonna jump back in the car and head on back to Indiana and see what's going on. All right, guys, I'll get back with you guys in a second. Yeah, guys, we back in the car and we getting ready to head back to Indiana. So I gotta go down one whole doggone exit to get off. Head back the other way. You gotta take this long. Y'all see it. Y'all will see it in a minute. Let me turn you guys around. It's a long stretch. You gotta go down, come back around, get on the highway. Then I gotta run down to the next exit and get off. Man, old asshole. That's all right. Excuse my French. I gotta get off right now anyway. Yep, I'm finna get off right now. And then I'm gonna turn around and come back the other way. Y'all gonna see it. Yeah, I'm just gonna take you along with me while we rolling, man.
In 800 feet, turn left.
Y'all hear? I'm about to turn
left on
off.
LaPorte Road.
So I'll get back with you guys in a second. All right, guys, we're back on the highway. We're actually headed back to Indiana. I'm going straight to the mission place after I come off the highway. It's like 45 miles from my house to the Michigan state line. Now we in Indiana already because it's just across the state line. So I'm back in the car. Me and Buddy Bear, you see him back there. So we rolling on back toward the other way. And then, like I said, I'm gonna see the Indiana sign. Y'all just saw it. Yeah, we in Indiana. We back in Indiana now. So yeah. Back in Indiana right now. So yeah, I'll give y'all a little driving footage and then I'll probably turn the camera back. I'm gonna turn the camera back around. So I ain't gonna bore you too much with this. It's nice and cool in here, got the AC on. Cruising about 75, 80 miles an hour. So we on our way back to the mission place. I should probably get there about 3 o'clock or so. Then I'm gonna take y'all through the process of getting this thing emission tested. They actually put it on a like a dyno type machine of rollers, so they can test it. So I got my fingers crossed that it passed. All right, guys. If I see anything of interest, I'll cut you guys back on. I'll get back with you guys in a second. What is this we have here? Yes, the police was sitting right there. Everybody was flying. And I think that's it. I don't know what that is in front of me, but we'll find out in a minute. I don't know what it is. I think it's a Nissan. Yeah, the Sprinter gang was sitting in the median. Everybody was flying, so everybody slowed down. I think that is a Nissan. It sort of looks like a Porsche Taycan, but I don't think that's what that is. So I don't know. I'll get back with you in a minute. Hey guys, I'm getting off on my exit right now. Yep. Yep, I'm on my way to the mission place right now. Just got off 94. So when I get to the mission place, I will cut you guys, get back with you guys when I get there. Alright. Hey guys, we back. I'm about to pull up at the mission place right now. You'll see it. You'll see it in a second. I'm about to pull up. This will be my third test. I hope third time is a charm. But like I said, you gotta put this on the treadmill. I hope my guys here. Y'all see it. Ain't nobody here. That's kind of good. Man, I gotta put their asses to work. I gotta put your butt to work today. I gotta put you to work today. This old school, man. Here.
What year is this?
92.
Okay.
But I got vanity plates. That's why he know. Hey guys, I cut you guys back on in a second. Well guys, here we go. He about to put it on the treadmill and test it. Watch this. He finna put it on the treadmill right now. Watch this. This is how they do it when you don't have antique plates. I don't want antique plates, so we're gonna hook it up. I should be fine. We're gonna see what it's gonna do. Y'all see old girl in the mission place. I could put antique plates on the car, but I don't want to. I like the plate that I got on there. This is the only place that I come right here. Y'all see it up there on the screen. My Benzo. Y'all see it. Yeah, so he gonna hook the thing up to the exhaust. Then we gonna rock and roll. He gonna hook it up, and then we gonna rock and roll, man. Yeah, we gonna see what it do. I just come off the highway, guys. I put 100 miles on the car to heat it up. So that's what my mechanic told me to do. He said, heat this boy up real good, and then take it. So I just heated it up, put 100 miles on it. We gonna see. I'll get back with you when he get ready to jump in it and do what it do. All right, guys, they finna do the chalk thing. They gonna let it down and let it down a little bit and then run the thing out. Got it down in there. Now he gonna run the little thing up, not too close to the rims. He know what he doing. I've been here before. This is the only place I bring this car. Okay, they got the chalk in there. Now they good. They gonna start it up. I guess they gotta hook the tailpipe thing up. Then they're gonna hook the tailpipe thing up. He's hooking that up now. And then we gonna get ready and rock and roll. I should be good. Yeah, you see, he just hooked the tailpipe thing up. So now he gonna jump on it. He gonna jump on the treadmill with this thing, man. I hope it passes this time, because I'm through messing with this damn car. Yeah, I see it. gonna do what he do. Y'all see it? I'm giving y'all a first-hand look at how this is done when you don't have antique plates. And I'm gonna let y'all see the graph over there. That's the graph. He rolls it up. Come down. Take it on up. Y'all know I got the big show in Columbus, Ohio on the 5th, the Triple F Collection show. So I gotta make sure my plates are valid. I'm not gonna take that kind of drive if my plates ain't valid. It's only been a month, so I ain't worried about it. I can actually do it, but I don't play like that. I gotta do what I gotta do. And like I said, I heated it up real good. Should be good. Yeah, guys, we back. Doing it again. It should be. I hope it's fine, man, because I ain't got time for this no more. I think it passed. I think it passed. I'm gonna see in a second. He'll let me know in a minute. Let me see. Man, I'm praying that it passed, man. We're gonna walk over here and see. Man, this is crazy. Did it pass? All right. Yes, sir. Hell yeah. Hey, guys. She passed. It's about time. Yes, sir. I'm good to go now. I get my sticker on Tuesday, and then I'll be able to make that show next Sunday. All right, guys. I'll get back with you guys in a second. Old girl passed. See y'all in a minute. Well, guys, I'm happy. Old girl passed the mission, so now I can get my sticker, and I'm good to go, man. So yeah, I'll be at the Triple F Collection show. I'll be legal and all that stuff. All right, guys, if you're new to the channel, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And just like that, this video is over. I will talk to you guys on the next one. Peace.